In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Facebook password on an Android phone. Now, the first thing that I recommend that you guys do is actually open up Google on your Android device. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up Google Password Manager just like this. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just press on it just like so. And you need to make sure that you are logged into the Google account that you use in order to create your Facebook account. So it is really important that you do that. So whenever you make an account, it is typically going to ask you to save the password. And if you saved the password, then it is going to appear in this list over here. So what you would need to do is you need to go ahead and scroll down until you see Facebook. Now, unfortunately, I didn't actually save my Facebook password to my Google account, but if you did, then it is going to appear in this list, and all you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on Facebook. So what you would need to do is you need to select on Facebook, and then it is going to make you enter in your Google account password, and then once you went ahead and logged in, you will have access to your Facebook password just like that. Now, unfortunately, Facebook doesn't have like a built-in feature where you're easily able to see your password. So the first thing that I recommend that you guys do is actually try using Google Password Manager. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.